The state Senate has approved a bill paving the way for a statue of Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas on the grounds of the state capitol.
Thomas has served on the high court for more than 3 decades. But as Fox 5's Claire Sims reports now, the Senate debate over whether to honor that service got heated.
The statue would be here inside the Capitol or somewhere on Capitol grounds. While Republicans say Justice Clarence Thomas has had a distinguished career, Democrats dispute that.
And it's not that we have a problem that he's a conservative or Republican. We think he's a hypocrite and a traitor.
Fiery arguments on the floor of the state Senate Monday as lawmakers debate a bill that would honor Justice Clarence Thomas with a statue at the state capitol. Thomas is from Pinpoint, Georgia, and has served on the Supreme Court since 1991.
Justice Thomas has served all America and all of Georgia, no matter your race, your gender, your community, or your culture.
State Senator Jason Anavatarte sponsored the bill and says Thomas's legacy is one deserving of a sculpture. But Democrats disagree, saying Thomas is a controversial figure. They pointed to Justice Thomas's opposition to affirmative action and his siding with the majority in a 2013 decision that struck down part of the Voting Rights Act.
The Voting Rights Act of 1965, black people bled, fought, and went through everything to get the Voting Rights Act passed. And here we have a black man that took out a key provision.
Democrats also argued that lawmakers should not erect a statue of someone still serving.
Somebody that was homeless from an early age, was the first person in his family to go to college, and then went on to go to Yale Law School. That's the story of this guy. It's a Georgia story, and that story should be told now, not after he's gone.
On the passage of the bill, the yeas are...
Senators approved the bill along party lines.
It's a constitutional majority.
The bill still needs the approval of the state house before it can go to the governor's desk for his signature. At the state capitol, Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.